Auditing an AWS environment? Here's a clear step-by-step checklist to help you perform a cloud audit with confidence. AWS offers flexibility, but with great power comes responsibility. Auditing helps ensure security, compliance, and cost control. Review IAM users' roles and groups. Check for MFA enforcement. Audit use of root account and privileged roles. Are S3 buckets publicly accessible? Is encryption at rest and in transit enabled? Are bucket policies overly permissive? Is CloudTrail enabled in all regions? Is logging centralized and protected? Are alarms configured in CloudWatch? Check VPC configurations and security groups. Look for open ports and unrestricted access. Review firewall rules and NAT gateways. Is data encrypted using KMS or other secure methods? Are encryption keys rotated regularly? Is access to KMS tightly controlled? Are unused EC2 instances or AMIs decommissioned? Are patches and updates applied regularly? Is SSH access controlled? Review idle resources and unused storage. Enable AWS Trusted Advisor and Cost Explorer. Check for over-provisioned compute instances. Use AWS Security Hub for automated findings. Document all audit evidence. Use the CIS AWS Foundation's benchmark as a guide. A good AWS audit covers IAM, S3, logging, network, encryption, compute, and cost control. Follow this checklist to reduce risk and improve governance. Found this helpful? Like, subscribe, and check out our next video. How to audit Azure step-by-step cloud checklist.